Yo guys, how are you doing? Yeah, I don't really like long intros like that, so I'll get straight to the point. I'm teaching you guys how to create YouTube thumbnails for free. Professional YouTube thumbnails for free, in fact. So, in case you don't have apps like Premiere Pro, After Effects, and other like creative apps that you have to pay for, it's another solution to get a nice YouTube thumbnail like this one that I'm using in this video. Go to like pick three, you'll probably have, you know what? So yeah, have a look at them and see how cool they are. So I'll show you a step-by-step guide on how to create a thumbnail like that. I had other thumbnails, but I had to take the videos down. It's a personal reason. So you know what? Let's do it. Okay, so the first phase is going to be this, which is taking the pictures for your thumbnail. And it looks really stressful, I guess, but like it's just part of the process, you feel me? We'll take the picture and it will look exactly like something like this. Yeah, a very awkward like startup for like the thumbnail. So the next thing you want to do is open PixArt like this. Then select a black background, crop the picture to like 16:9. Yeah, so you can get like the perfect like thumbnail size. Exactly. So yes. So here you are, you can search your background, search anything you want to put on your thumbnail, whatever you wish to. Like here's an example. Yeah, as you can see, you have lots of examples and lots of backgrounds to choose from, which are lots of backgrounds. Really nice backgrounds, in fact. So you pick whichever works for you, anyone that works for your aesthetics. Just get creative with it, I guess. So this is one of the first stages you have to deal with. Before even putting your picture on the frame, make sure you get a frame. Make sure you get a canvas. So I'll be picking this canvas, this particular background, because I really like this one. So we'll be working with this. Place your background properly. Check if there's no errors and everything. So yeah, you can see the way I'm turning it, right? So make sure your background is exactly how you want it because you don't want to make like loads of errors, then come back and start like or starting afresh. Make sure you like do everything properly from the onset. You understand? And now we're off to the second stage, which is picking your picture for the thumbnail and getting ready to edit the picture. So you can see the pictures I took, right? See how cool, see how clean they are. That's one thing you have to consider. That's why I was using those lights. Your pictures have to be clear. It doesn't matter if you use your phone or use your camera, it doesn't really matter, but your pictures have to be really clean to make sure that the thumbnail is clean. You understand? So try to get lights, even if it's just like a ring light or any type of light. Then the next thing you want to do is cut out the parts that you don't need and make sure you get it clean every step of the way. Make sure there are no errors. If you notice an error, you can use the eraser, as you can see. You can use the remove pattern. You can use whatever pattern works for you. You can use them to make sure your YouTube thumbnail picture is very clean. Now look at how beautiful that came out. Look at how nice that came out. So we're off to like another stage, which is to smoothen the picture, brighten the picture, zoom in, zoom out, and everything. Like, it's basically you just figuring out what works for your taste. You edit till you're contented. Just to make sure you feel it is the right thing to do. So there are stickers you can add to the picture. There are effects. There are just lots of things. Like, there are borders which you can see me adding here, shrinking and increasing. Then there is the sharpen feature that makes the picture stand out more. The exposure, the contrast, whichever really works for you. I feel this is like one of the easiest like thumbnail editor, free editor, because I had no idea Pixar could do such a thing, which is really, really nice. So once you're done with all that parts, you have to save it so it stays that way. With this part I was smoothing this part to make sure my face is like really clear and it stands out and everything. So once you're done with that part, you save it and you apply the stickers and fonts, which are like the text. You apply the text as well. That's very important. Obviously, it's a YouTube thumbnail. The words you want to put in are very important. So you apply your text, apply your stickers, anything relating to what you want to do. Just apply the sticker there, then edit it properly. This was me trying to figure out what to make my thumbnail stand out more. This was the process of me editing it, which was actually really, really interesting, to be honest. You have to like explore the app to see what will miraculously work for you. And then we have the fonts. This part isn't tricky at all. It's just you finding out the exact type of font you want to use on your thumbnail and anything relating to the type of things you do. Also the type of video you're trying to put out. So those things are there. Then we have the effects, the sticker effects and everything to make the video look really, really, really nice and unique as well as beautiful. And also, based on how to use the search engine, all you have to do is just click sticker and you'll see this part. And all you have to do is search anything, and I mean anything. You know what I mean by anything anyway. Anything that works for you, or anything you want to put on the thumbnail. It can be a mountain, it can be a grass, it can be dogs, it can be cats, it can be anything basically. You don't have to get a picture, then cut it out, then print it, except it's something that only you have or something you can't search like about. That's the only time you need to, add another clip in it. Like for instance, I was doing something about editing YouTube thumbnail for free, and this was me adding the free logo to thumbnail. But I didn't use this anyway, but it's just like an example so you can understand how it works. There's sometimes you have to edit the background before editing the actual picture and cutting it out in the background, because there's sometimes you want the thumbnail edits to go down before you add the pictures, because you want it to be behind the picture. You get what I'm saying? You want it to be behind your picture. You understand? So that's mostly it. So guys, if you feel this tutorial was nice and brief, then please like, share and comment. And also, for the record, this is not how you should do it all the time. You are meant to get creative with it, with what your imagination or what your ideas have. It's not just about the apps, it's about the editor. The editor makes it make sense. So I also had to pause the tutorial just to remind you of that. It's a very, very important information. You don't just think that you get the idea and just go with it like that. Nah, it doesn't work like that. You have to get creative. You have to put in the work to make it make more sense. You feel me? So yeah, that's just about it. And that's a wrap. Thank you so much guys for staying around, watching till the end and gaining this knowledge. I look forward to making more knowledgeable videos for you guys, as well as giving you guys advice. You feel me? I may not look it, but I'm pretty smart, I guess. I might say that. That's not allowed to say that, but I have some ideas though. So please comment if you feel this is a great idea or if this is a great concept, because I found this out myself. I don't know if someone came up with it before, but it's something I came up with myself. So once again, please press that like button, press that notification button, press that subscribe button, because I got more videos like this coming. You feel me? From time to time, I'll be dropping videos like this. So yeah, appreciate it guys. Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate it. God bless.